Hey guys, I just wanted to show you on Desmos how you can graph piecewise functions. And so what we have here on our left, that's actually from your piecewise homework. And so what we can do is we can use y equals or f of x equals. I'm going to use f of x. And when I do f of x equals, instead of just writing f of x equals 5x minus 2, which is the entire line, I need to limit it. So I'm going to say in brackets, so this is where it's got to be very precise. So I've got curly brackets that say from x is less than 1, and then I use a colon. Now what you see is it says from x is less than 1, which is what the problem says, 5x minus 2 is our function. And so you can see on the graph, it's actually just stops once x is less than x equals 1, right? So we actually have two parts to this. There's the second part because we need to tell it the second piece. And I'm going to do it in a separate one. That way it comes up in a different color. But you can do it all in one, and I'll show you both in a second. If I go like this, and I say x is greater than or equal to 1, and then my function is going to be just x minus 7. And then I'm going to close that bracket. And so what you can see is you got my two pieces, and it's got the blue one and the red one. And there it is. It's graphed for me. I could go ahead and put it in one function, so I want to show you how to do that. I'm going to try to just copy and paste that in there. See if it did it for me. So now what I did is I put it in one function. So I have x is less than 1, and then a colon, and then I have my function, and then I have x is greater than or equal to 1 after a comma, and I put a colon, and there it is. So you can kind of see how you can type in a piecewise function. Nice thing, it does give you the intercepts when you graph on Desmos, and that's how you would graph a piecewise function.